It's also a road that I try to like stay away from.
I feel it. Usually we too, but we said we're gonna take it easy. Yo, what in the world is B20? Biodiesel. Interesting. This was not here before, or I don't think so. I have no idea. I'm losing my mind, boys. We decided last minute that we're gonna hit a canyon just because it's nice out and we don't know where to ride. I'm not dressed for that at all. I thought we were just gonna cruise around here. We'll take it slow. Slow. No, actually though, I'm in like a tank top and full squid mode, so we do not want to go down. Plus I haven't ridden the R1M in a minute. I know you guys missed this bike. I did too. Oh, by the way, what do you think? Half. My buddy had the white ones, I have the black ones, so like, let's do half and half. I don't even know if I need gas, but just to be on the safe side. Damn, 5.4. That's a lot. Oh, I didn't even show you who's coming with. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. We got the S1K, we got the V4. Yeah, we're ready. Squaw!
Okay.
How are you doing, man?
Going, man.
Where you going?
You guys heading up to Ortega?
Yeah.
Nice.
You can cruise with if you want.
Right. It's also a road that I try to like stay away from.
I feel you. I feel you. Usually we too, but we said we're gonna take it easy.
Yeah. That's what we always say. Next thing you know,
that's what he says. He's always, oh, I'll take it easy. Nothing is flying more fishy down.
Yeah, man. I just get excited. Adrenaline, okay?
Yeah, I can't help it. All right, safe, all right?
We'll try. Thank you, man. You guys ready?
Hey!
The clutch on the R1M is so weird. Like when I go back from the H2 to the V4, it's not as different. Now I'm realizing, I thought it was the V4 that was weird, but honestly it's actually, the H2 is the easiest one. Like clutch and throttle, like just getting the bike to go. The R1M is definitely like the most weird. It's very sensitive. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. You guys like the half and half? I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. Woo! What is that? A squeak? Do I need new brakes or something? The canyon is a little long, probably gonna take us about like I don't know, I think like 30 minutes going out. I haven't been there in a very long time because a lot of people died there. It's not like the cleanest canyon. So yeah, I haven't been there in a minute, but it has a really nice view up top. I'm tucking in to talk to you guys because I know this helmet doesn't do the best in higher speeds because of the wind noise. So yeah, up top there's like a really nice view, so I want to show you guys that. So that's why we're just gonna go there and take it easy, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right now and I'll continue as soon as we start the canyon pretty much, so I don't waste my battery here. Looks like there's a lot of traffic. I don't want to be behind that. It has like rocks and stuff in the back. Visor wasn't all the way down. I was like, why am I getting so much stuff in my eyes? Look at all this. I have none of this memorized. Like, I do not know what to expect at all. And B, I know that like this road gets a lot like very dirty. There's a lot of like dirt patches and gravel and stuff like that, and there's cars and there's bumps, and so yeah, it's a little sketchy. A few people lost their lives in this canyon, so that's why we're gonna just cruise, take it slow, especially because we're not dressed up for this at all. Way too many cars around here. Like, I'm not trying to go fast, I'm just trying to cruise, you know, but I don't want to go this slow behind all these cars. God damn. Goes the bug. Yeah, super bumpy over here. See? Taking it super easy. Nothing crazy. Oh, nice. They're building these so people just don't go flying off of here. Like this. Because I really don't know the roads right here, and I know they're bumpy, so I'm like trying my best to like just go fast enough, but also like in case I see a bump, it's not like bad that I'm like more on the side and I have less tread on the side. Because the more you lean, the more you're on like surface area of the tire, which is not good. That's how like you don't have as much traction. This road does not look the best, so we'll take it slow. Yeah, see, so the road is so bad over here. Very not smooth. You hit a bump like that when you're going fast or in a turn and you're done, so. Jeez. Maybe that's why they have all of these, to smoothen out the roads over here. Oh my god, that bump was so bad. Jeez. I did say that it used to be bumpy, but I don't remember it being this bad. Like, oh my god. Oh, there's so many cars. Playing it safe. What the hell? Bruh! Life is glitching. Homeboy, this bird is just gliding over there. Literally. We caught a life glitch!
Bro,
He's lagging.
those little bumps just...
I know. That's why I told you this is not like a Great Canyon.
Bro, it's just like...
Yeah. Imagine that in a turn if we're going fast.
That's why you guys are turning fast. I'm like, yeah, I'm not going down today.
No, I only went fast on like the turns that I know. Like I only went fast enough, you know what I mean?
No, I would sketch out the whole way.
But the view though. The view though, right? Great success. Alright. Look at this beautiful lineup. With the view, we got some content for the Instagram. Follow me over there. It's the same name as my YouTube handle. So all the traffic on the way down. It must have been an accident or something. It got really chilly real quick. Sunset time, so figured we'll cruise back down. So bumpy. Jeez, so bad over here. Sketch. So bad. Woo. Got some airtime on that pump. Jeez, way too bumpy over here. Speeding when there's people on the side, because just in case something happened, I'm not risking just my life but their life too. So whoa, sketch. covered in bugs. Alright boys, the video ended. We made it all the way down safely. One of my friends just passed. I'm still waiting for the other one. We all made it down safe. Yeah. He loved it, right? He said he's never coming here again. I don't blame him. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.